So in this beautiful mixed border, we have some kind of regular plants like this particular, I don't know, anemone or whatever it is. Actually, it's maybe a dahlia. But right next to it, we have the beautiful curves of this tall grasses, which are kind of red and just look absolutely smashing right now. Further down, we have some begonias right over here. It's completely mixed. And over here, a big surprise, we have artichoke flowers, which look fantastic right now with their color. Here's another one, a tall one. You see what they do in France with these gardens, with this beautiful, look at this bed goes all over. It's a border that goes all around this particular circle. And what they do is they mix different, not only different colors, but also different textures. So you have things that hang like crazy, you have things that are very upright, you have all kinds of colors and forms, so that there is always interest and the bed looks rich and luxuriant as you see it right now. Anyways, Noma Dimitri, happy trails.